Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make cilantro tomato chicken on the stove. Cilantro tomato chicken on the stove. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. So I have one bunch of cilantro that I already cut up. I did not cut it up fine. You can see where you can still see the leaves. Okay, so we're gonna put that whole bunch of cilantro in. This is chicken broth, the powdered form. Gonna use 2 heaping tablespoons of that. That's 1, 2. Okay. And mix that in. So I'm going to put my Grandma Ray's special seasoning that I have not released yet in here. You can use your seasoning. It's okay. Until I'm ready to release this. Okay? And I'm putting some on the chicken as well. On both sides. Turn that over, do the other side. Okay, I'm going to put the chicken in. I have 3 drumsticks. This is for myself. Okay, now I want to add the cilantro, because this is the flavor that I'm going to be looking for. Okay, wash my hands. I'm also going to add to this some garlic and pepper. And I'm going to add some tomatoes. Pepper. I have to cut the tomatoes up. These are tomatoes from my garden. I'm still working on using up all these tomatoes. I had a lot. Okay. So I'm gonna put a cover on that and let that start to boil while I cut up the tomatoes, okay? I'll be right back with the tomatoes. Guys, I brought you back because I forgot to tell you that I was adding my onions. Okay, I wanted you to see that. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay guys, let's check on our chicken and add our tomatoes. Oh, it's thickening up. So I have 4 medium-sized tomatoes diced up. I'm going to put that in. I'm going to turn the chicken over. And I want to take a knife and I want to put some slices in the middle of the chicken for that flavor to get down to the bone. I'm just putting cut a slice on each side of the bone. And then I'm turning it back on over so that that juice can get down in the chicken. The flavor. Okay. Okay, we'll let that cook some more. I want you to see this, so let me let you see this. Does that look good? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to let that cook some more. It's been cooking for about, I think, maybe 20 minutes now. And it is not done. So I'm going to let that cook some more. Okay, we'll give that a few minutes. Well, I'll check it in 5 minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys. The cilantro, tomatoes, and chicken is out. I have it over rice. Look at that, huh? Let me get a thumbnail. Wow, nice. Let me taste. I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. Okay. And the cilantro and tomatoes is a good combination. Really tastes good. Awesome, guys. Okay, so you get you a bunch of cilantros, 4 tomatoes, and some chicken, and try that, okay? Let me know how yours come out. Mine tastes good. Okay, check out the links below. If you want to be a Patreon supporter or a GoFundMe supporter, please do so. The links is on down below. And if you this is your first time on my channel, I welcome you, and please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and share the videos with others, okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Be safe. That's the word. Be safe.